Welcome to Archiesense. Inspired by the cosmos and Indian mythology, this home is designed as both a residence and a private retreat. With a fresh geometric approach, double entrances are placed at opposite ends, creating a unique experience upon entering the home. The ascending entry and descending exit give the home a fortress-like feel. The two-story building offers 180-degree views of the landscape with balconies that harmoniously connect the interior and exterior. From the main entrance, the two-story living room connects to the dining and kitchen areas, while a green and open central courtyard serves as the home's center of circulation and activity. Circular skylights provide dynamic natural light throughout the day, adding warmth to the interior. The dining room is designed to soothe the soul, with a waterfall on the south side creating a peaceful atmosphere. The first-floor hallway adds to the sensory experience through a combination of marble flooring and glass walkways, creating a sense of floating. Indian mythology-themed wall murals add an impressive visual dimension, weaving cosmic elements into the architectural design. The home's curved layout efficiently separates the functions of the space. The ground floor houses the living, dining, kitchen, and bedrooms, while the upper floor houses 3 bedrooms and an entertainment space. The basement serves as a private gathering space, accessed via a spiral staircase. Materials such as concrete, glass, wood, and stone combine with modern furnishings, creating a luxurious interior in a calming color palette that connects with the outdoor elements. The home's design features a dynamic choreography of volumes with undulating ceilings, creating a bright space that connects with the outdoor landscape. The expansive lawn connects to an open-air gazebo, which then leads to a covered lounge, allowing the flexibility to invite large numbers of guests. Trees surrounding the seating area add comfort by providing natural shade. A wide, circular walkway integrates the landscape with the architecture, while the color red is strategically used to mark direction without dominating the design elements. The outdoor puja space is designed with a waterway of a lotus pond leading to the Shivalinga area, creating a spiritual experience that is in harmony with the 5 elements of nature, Panchtattva, such as water, fire, and earth. Harmony with the elements of nature is at the heart of the design of this home. A meditative landscape is designed around the circular structure, with Ayurvedic plants and local species that strengthen the connection with nature. Various seating areas provide different experiences for residents and guests. The oculus in the center of the home symbolizes the eternal connection with the universe, while the Shivalinga in the northeast corner symbolizes a deep spiritual presence. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.